Hey babes, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be walking you through my fall morning routine with my 5 kids. So it is 5 a.m. in the morning. When I get out the bed, I like to put on my clothes immediately before I head into the bathroom and brush my teeth, wash my face. I put moisturizer on, and I also put on a little bit of chapstick. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the kids' snack bags. It's around 5:20. I've already woken up 2 of my kids at this time, which is the 2 oldest. And then the next round would be around 5:30. And the last one I wake up will be around 6 o'clock. I will be showing you guys what they do in the morning time a little bit later on the video. My son actually volunteered to show you guys, so please stay tuned for that. Okay, so now it's time to fill up their water bottles. I like to send the kids to school with their own personal water bottles just to make sure they stay hydrated through the day. And this is my second oldest responsibility. Okay, and here's my son showing you guys what their morning routine looks like. The first thing they do is wash their hands. They give their mouth a little bit of a rinse out. They wash their face. They brush their teeth, and they do use mouthwash, and they also do put on deodorant. Okay, so now it's time for them to have their vitamins. They normally have this after they have breakfast in the morning, but this morning they were going to be having breakfast at school. But I do give my kids a liquid multivitamin every single morning. Okay, so it is 6:45 a.m. Our alarm has went off to let us know it is time to start getting ready to leave out the door. Everybody's going to get their shoes. The oldest ones helps the younger ones put their shoes on. They're going to be grabbing their coats and their backpacks, and I'm going to grab my keys and my purse and turn off all the lights and pick up anything that needs to be picked up before we walk out the door. Hey babes, well, this is the end of my fall morning routine with my 5 kids. I really hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and my kids this morning. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, check out all my other content on my channel. I upload every Sunday all about self-care, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.